Farmers and livestock owners are to immediately remove their animals from the Charles Gordon Market in St. James. Mayor of Montego Bay, Richard Vernon, gave the warning as the situation poses a serious threat to vendors and customers. Speaking at a recent meeting of the municipal corporation, Mayor Vernon said restoring the market was a top priority. Rehabilitation work is in progress, but the corporation has started cleaning sections of the market to allow vendors to return.
Ensure that if they are not in the realms of and the remits of the law, that they are confiscated. And in short order, we will also be sending out for persons to apply the terms and conditions to apply for a license to operate a pound. And once we have the pound in operation and the restricted area in effect, then we will make necessary provisions for these animals to be towed and impounded.
The mayor also responded to questions about restricted areas for animals.
When we declare an area a restricted area, it means that you can raise animals, but you must meet a certain requirement. And those requirements will be designated in the order that we are going to establish. And the officers will be checking from time to time to ensure that those who are applying to raise animals, they have the necessary things in place. The proper pen is the area in a space that you can actually facilitate the raising of animals and all of these things. We're not saying that you can't. You can, but you have to meet the requirements.